Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Marianne Nails recently sent me 5 of their stamping plates to swatch and review, and in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plate number 2. So a big thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these stunning plates. You can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper and my favourite scraper, and I'll be using the clear head for the swatches. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to begin with the silver nail tip, and I'm going to go for one of the words along the bottom, and I'll be stamping in black. If you missed the first video, you can find it along with my other Marianne Nails swatch reviews here on my channel in my Marianne playlist. I really like a black and silver together. For me, it's a classic colour combo. Moving on to the second swatch, and I'll be using a beige nude nail tip, and I'll be stamping in dark brown. This design reminds me of the 60s. It would look amazing in neon colours for a bright summer mani. I also really like it in the brown combo too, and you could even colour all of them little flowers, should we say they are, in as well. On to the third swatch, and I'm using a white nail tip for this one and this amazing green stamping polish. This swatch is actually from the photo swatches, and I thought that it would be a good idea to sort of show you what I use to create this. Now, I honestly don't often use this stamping polish, but I absolutely adore this swatch and the colour combo as well, and it is one I would definitely wear. Moving on to the fourth swatch, using a sort of a bright blue nail tip along with white stamping polish. Now, I almost used this design for my mani, but I changed my mind at the last minute. Again, I would definitely use this for either a spring or a summer mani. I love how the bright blue and the white are together, but you could add some colour to this design as well, or even a multicoloured background. Onto the fifth swatch, and I'll be using a baby pink nail tip and a dark pinky purple stamping polish. Now, when I do my lined images like this one, I do try to scrape in the direction the lines are going. For me, it helps to not get any missing parts within them lines. And then here they are all together. My favourite just has to be that white and green. It is so stunning. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created. Stamping plate number 2 has 30 designs, which are mainly pattern designs along with the words at the bottom. I absolutely love plates like this. They're just so interesting to look at and to create amazing manis. And even though I have loads in this style, plate number 2 is still very different. I really like that there are images that have the same theme, like the butterflies or the crisscross lined one, or the marble and paint splatter. There will definitely be a butterfly mani coming very soon. I also like that the words have come out really clear. But to be fair, there isn't an image I wouldn't use. And if you like these style designs, then you'll love this one as well. It'll be one that I return to many times in the future. I also found it super easy to use, so if you haven't tried Marianne Nails stamping plates yet, this is definitely a good one to start with. I just used the same stamper as I did with the video swatching. It's my favourite stamper at the moment and has worked beautifully with all 5 of the stamping plates that Marianne Nails have sent me. I have used other stampers in previous swatch reviews, but for me, nothing has worked as well as this stamper has. But that's just personal preference though. So on to the mani, and I love a marble nail, and I have done plenty in the past, but I couldn't resist doing another one. And I just had this stone colour nail polish arrive. Now with marble nails I tend to use the same image, but I just turn the stamper around. This just gives each nail just a different look, which I really like. And I adore this mani, and I love that I went matte with it, which again is something I don't oftenly do. I really didn't want to take this one off. I loved it that much. So once again, a big thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these stamping plates to swatch and review. If you haven't checked out their social media, there are links in the description box below, along with my Instagram page link. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Marianne Nails stamping plate number 2. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.